Hello, babes. Welcome back to the channel. It is me, BGB, Brown Girl Bella, and today I am bringing you the Beautylish Lucky XL box. Did I get lucky? Yes or no? We're about to find out, babes. We're about to find out.
Brown Girl Bella.
Hey, guess who's back? Back again. Beautylish is back with their annual Lucky XL box. So this is a mystery box and you don't know what is in it until it arrives. You also pre-ordered it, so you kind of have to make the snap judgment pretty quickly if you're going to purchase this or not, because it sells out in minutes. I know, because there have been many times where I didn't get it quick enough and it was sold out. One year I had to get the give one, get one, which is the $150 box. This box here is the XL, which retailed for $170. And also, it had shipping this year. Usually you don't pay for shipping and handling. But this year we did have to pay another $20, I think, or $10 for shipping and handling. So total came out to be roughly $181. There was also no indication whether you wanted to get like a deep version of the box or fair or what have you version of the box. So that also made me a little nervous. For the ones that were $150, I think you had the option to do that, but not for the $175. So they need to do both of them. Beautylish, reminder for next year. The box came like this, which is, I think, how most of the boxes being shown have arrived. It says, "You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside." And it's hashtag LuckyBag2025, hashtag Beautylish. I'm seeing this a lot in mostly fair complexion, medium complexion, beauty reviewers, and this was packaged with love in California. So a shout out to all the workers who were able to get these out. Some of them have arrived even before the ship date officially, which was on the 20th, I believe. So kudos to you all for making it happen, because I had forgotten about that part and was reminded, like, wow, they're in California. So I'm going to put this now on my lap so that I do not see anything. I'm just going to stick my hand in and start pulling out stuff. So there's the black on top. And here's the first thing. So I got the Kitsch recycled plastic flat lay cloths, and it's a 3-piece set. I did see someone grab this, but I can't remember if the person that I saw what else they had in their box. So this is truly going to be interesting. But these are claw clip holders, barrettes, or what have you. There's a small, there's a medium, and then there's a large. And they're designed in Los Angeles too, and made in China, of recycled plastic. Awesome. And I love the mocha themed of the clips. So I saw some other ones. They had Hello Kitty ones. They had another clip. I can't remember what the name of it was. I think it was one big claw clip. and then those 3. So I'm glad out of those that I got the 3 set. All right, pulling out something else. What is this? Ah, okay. This is the Busy Art 25th year anniversary, Paris. And this is to celebrate their 25th anniversary. And it is a selection of all mattes. Okay. I love Busy Art's shadows. Their mattes are very creamy. They're very soft. Their shimmers are chef's kiss. Ooh la la, as we say in Paris. And I'm glad I got this one. Let's see what else I can pull out. Okay. I have the Verb Dandruff Shampoo. This is clinical strength for balance and relief, and it's made with 3% salicylic acid. Okay. It gently cleanses hair and is clinically proven to reduce the recurrence of dandruff symptoms without stripping the hair of moisture. Okay. I've never tried this. I don't really have dandruff, like heavy dandruff in my hair, but I do know someone who does, so I will definitely pass that along to that person. Okay, and next I have from Good Molecules the pimple patches. I did see a lot of people talk about getting these. I don't suffer from a lot of pimples, but again, I know someone who does, so that will find a really good home. Next we have, Vanessa Myricks Beauty. Okay, this is the Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil. And what shade is this? This is Lilac Quartz. Oh, so this is a nice shade. Kind of goes with what I have on my eyes today, which is a Chanel quad that I have. So here is Lilac Quartz. Hopefully you can see that. Let's see what's next. This is the Firm X Peeling Gel by Peter Thomas Roth. I've actually used this before and I actually enjoyed this. So I like it. The peeling gel like visibly peels off like any like dirt, oils, dry skin off of your skin while you're washing it in with a little bit of warm water to kind of activate it. And I will tell you, I really, really enjoyed how my skin looked afterwards. My skin didn't look like it was stripped or anything. It just really looked visibly brighter and clearer and just very supple. And the little scrubby bits are not harsh either. They don't like tear at your skin at all. So that's an awesome product. So thank you. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I got the 𝕊𝕦𝕡𝕒 Gloss by Sicily. Now I don't think any Sicily products. Maybe some powder, but I definitely do not have any of their gloss. And this is in the shade number 10, which is called Star. And look at the bottle. This is gorgeous. Lovely packaging, Sicily. All right, let's see what you're doing for gloss. It looks almost, yeah, it's like a red, almost like a watermelon-ish, pinky red, but beautiful. Look at that. Okay, I won't kick that out of it either. That's really pretty. Slight fragrance, not overpowering at all, which is good. Okay. Another blush by Mob Beauty. I say another because I actually have a couple of pieces from Mob Beauty. And then Mob always comes in sustainable packaging so that you can refill if you'd like. And this is number M27 blush. Let's see if there's a name. Nope. M27 is the name of the blush. All right. Kind of peachy pink color. Perfect for spring. And let's put that one down here. Ooh. Nice soft powder. It blends out really, really nicely. Oh my goodness. It is the makeup brush collection from Shikahoto. Babes, I'm loving this. It's the one that I had wanted to, and I didn't pull the trigger on it, and I was so mad at myself. But here are the brushes. And then it also comes with this beautiful brush case. Okay, I think for the first time ever, babes, your girl, BrownGirlBella, was lucky. I think I was lucky. We're going to see just how lucky, because, of course, we are going to find out how much these all are, because I think I'm lucky, but let's see if by Beautylish standards, how much all of this came to, and see if I was really lucky or not. Now, here is the poster